I hope everyone had a good day for Thanksgiving. Finally got the sawmill up here. Had to use some jacks, put it on some carts, stuff like that, but I got it up the hill. Got it up here and got put in place. We still have to level her out. Make sure it gets level and all that. And looks like I'm gonna have to do some work here. Looks like the blade might be a little crooked. I think I can make some adjustments here to adjust where it goes, but we'll find out later on that. I had to get get all the joints greased. There's ball bearings up underneath here. The nipples there, so that way I can grease them up and put some lubrication on pulleys and all the nuts and bolts and the workings, and we'll start to get it going. The saw blade I'm going to use is located over here. It's one of these. We're going to use that. It's already sharpened and everything. They're new. They've never been used. Yeah, but they were left out in the weather a little bit. And I have about 5 of them, so why not? They're slightly smaller than this, but honestly, I'm too scared to put a blade that big on it. I'm way too scared to do that. I don't want to. That'd be scary. But there it is. It's in place. So hopefully this winter we'll be able to get her running and functioning, and if all works out well, we can start here and build a platform and feed the lumber through, and maybe resaw some lumber. That's the goal. Just to do it. There's the entrance to the shop I'm building, the other one. I built most of this stuff out of free material that was being thrown away. Most everything I've done here, people were throwing away or going to junk. So I got a lot to clean up. It's a nice floor jack I got at the same auction I got that. That tabletop is sitting on it, but it works. Heavy duty rascal too. All right, subscribe and like.